In this video, I'm going to show you some accessories that's going to allow you to get the most out of your Horizon Pro. Since the Horizon Pro is an angled motor and can support up to 7 pounds, this gives you more room to adjust should you have a larger camera or larger lens. So you can control the Horizon Pro using the app that's available both on Android and Apple. So the first accessory I want to talk about is the dual handle grip, the HB20. This allows you to clamp it around the Horizon Pro or the Horizon 1. All you do is simply lock it with a thumb screw. And now you can use both hands, which will help distribute the weight a little bit better. And if you prefer the grips to be hanging from the other direction, you can always flip this around. So another great thing about the dual grip handle is that on the bottom of them, you're going to have the 3/8 and as well as quarter 20s on the top of the handles. The next accessory I want to talk about is the Sling Grip, the HB10. This is similar to the dual grip where you just clamp it on and then you would screw in the thumb screw. And this allows you to actually use the gimbal so that you can get some smooth transition from a high shot to a low, or if you prefer to just kind of do low following. The Sling Grip has both quarter 20s and 3/8 screws on both sides, as well as a cold shoe mount here that allows you to mount something like a monitor. And the last accessory that you can buy for your gimbal is the follow focus system. This allows you to easily pull focus while still having both hands on the gimbal. The focus controller goes onto the connector that's behind this plate here, and you remove the plate with the Allen wrench that's included with the focus control. And then the focus motor, of course, will go on some rods, so that allows you to use it here. If you want to find out more information about the Horizon Pro or any of these accessories, you can visit us at icancorp.com, and thanks for watching.